Hey guys, and welcome back to day number 3 of our 12 Days of Reindeer Games. Now, you should have already heard about how you qualified to win the prizes, so you definitely want to stay until the end of today's video to find out exactly what's going on with the reindeer and see what prize you could potentially win today. Let's get started. Today we are talking about your epiphany moment. Listen. There is power in your epiphany moment, and I am going to share with you the role your epiphany moment plays in the success of your business. Let's dive right in. I've got 3 things today that I just know you need to hear so that you can get into your epiphany moment and make the most out of it. The first thing is, where there is recognition, there is opportunity to acknowledge what you have going on and make the necessary changes. When you have that light bulb moment go off and you recognize that something different needs to be done to get a different result, there is an opportunity for you to really acknowledge that and make the necessary changes to do something different to get a different result. Your epiphany moment is also great when it comes to those light bulb moments because they become a beacon of light for other people who need some of those same answers. And once you've gone through your epiphany and the journey to discover, rediscover, make the change, do the thing, you then become a beacon of light for someone else, and they are attracted to your light because you have answers to questions that they have. You can meet them where they are on their own journey and help them with the solutions they need to do and be their best as well. So your epiphany moment is so important. Lastly, your epiphany moment becomes the catalyst for your own personal or professional narrative. If you are in business for yourself and you are in the digital space at all, you have heard so many people talk about your brand narrative. What is it that you are saying? Tell your own story. Your epiphany moment is definitely the catalyst for this. It is going to help you discover what your challenges were, how you chose to find solutions to those challenges, and it gives you those step-by-step, the journey that you took to find your own solution. It's in those steps where you will be able to tell your story, give your version, create your narrative that people who hear it are going to perk up and want to hear more about, because chances are they're going through something very similar and you can help them. That does it for today's 12 Days of Reindeer Game, guys. Short and sweet. Now, what was that funny little reindeer doing today? So your name goes in the hat. I'll tell you one more time in this video how you qualify for the prizes. First thing you have to do is be subscribed to this channel. Next, you have to answer the question. And lastly, you must stay to the end of the video to find out all of the information you need to answer the question. So, the question of the day. When did you have your epiphany moment? And did you acknowledge it right away? Okay? I also want to know what that crazy reindeer did today in the video. All right, guys, that does it for today. Let me know what you think. Leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll be back tomorrow for day 4 of our 12 Days of Reindeer Games. Bye, guys.